What's up?
How much do you want for that scooter?
For the scooter? We just bought it.
So why are you going to drag it along? I'll buy it from it. Because Woody wouldn't sell it to me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
8,000 zlotys.
What? Are you kidding?
Well, kind of. I care about this scooter because it suddenly became valuable to me. You know what's the best thing about buying a Chinese scooter? Kebab. Hi, it's Andres, and this is Victor. You don't know Victor.
Hi, it's me, Victor.
Man, you wish you could be. It's me, Victor. That takes years of work to achieve. Listen, we're having a good time with Victor. We're heading to Wilga, near Wilga, because it turns out that's the only place you can buy a Chinese scooter.
But a spectacular Chinese scooter.
A fast scooter that doesn't work. And the thing is, now, let me not get this wrong, but you'll explain it in a second. Intercars has parts for repairing Chinese scooters. In general, right?
Yes.
And they said, listen, people don't know that we have parts for repairing Chinese scooters, or they know too little, or they don't know how to fix a Chinese scooter.
Exactly.
So you should find the Chinese scooter and then proceed to fix it completely.
And we'll show you everything.
How to do it, step by step. I'll tell you the truth about myself. I used to assemble Chinese scooters.
I expected that.
When assembling scooters, I could put together 10 a day, and I knew what kind of quality they could be. And I saw how the exact same scooters are sold under so many different brands because, well, I don't know, you can, for example, write in the comments what the funniest brand names or scooter names you've come across are, because all those in supermarkets, not in supermarkets and so on. Well, but I know that, it goes like this. There's a brand, and then you buy a scooter like that, or you have a scooter like that, the brand disappears, the manufacturer disappears, and then what? And it turns out they're all basically the same. So how is it with these engines?
Exactly. The most important thing is actually the engine. In reality, there's one type of two-stroke and one type of four-stroke engine that's super universal. And you find it in, 99% of cases, right? Of what was produced in this century, there's a good chance that it's the same thing. And we'll show you, first of all, how to diagnose such an engine.
How to recognize if it's that popular engine.
Yes, exactly. We'll show you where to look for markings and how to decode them. This was covered in that article series. And then we'll have some fun with the Parts Finder search engine. We'll show you how it works. And we'll build it. But should we reveal how we're going to do it?
I mean, it will definitely be fast. It will definitely be beautiful. It will definitely be spectacular, but...
Aggressive.
Aggressive, but it will also serve a higher purpose.
Exactly.
It will help one of our editorial team members find their true self. It will also allow him to perhaps create a report that he really cares about.
Exactly.
So this scooter isn't just something we'll take, fix, and forget about. No, I don't think so. I mean, I have a good feeling about this. I'm not so happy buying any other motorcycle than something that is, let's put it mildly, non-functional by design. Blood clot.
Blood clot.
Where is our scooter? Cool, right?
So,
Have you ever dreamed of one like this? Because I do.
I had one like this once.
Yes?
Well, maybe you can handle 3. Engine, starter, and nothing else.
Alright, let's turn it over there. Hey! But it's fierce, isn't it?
That's absolutely right. It's precisely what we've been discussing. And it aligns perfectly with all the information we've gathered so far.
Doesn't matter if it's a Romette or not a Romette or a router or whatever else. Victor knows how to fix it.
Yes, that's the official position.
We haven't come up with a name for this project yet.
But we will. It has to be something special. Because this is...
Yes. If you have an idea, what could we call the scooter restoration? Or you don't know what it's about? But you have to come up with something. What about this scooter? How should we name it? Unless it's for 20,000 zlotys. This one? No, come on, who would buy it for that? The work. I've seen some really nice scooters now. They're 7,000 zlotys. Well, not like this one. This one already has a history.
Yeah, it kind of really does, actually.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day.
Yeah, it's really healthy for you, It's quite beneficial.
Do you smell poop?
I smell something, but it's kind of subtle. But maybe it's just a trace from the scooter.
Maybe this project just stinks of poop.
Quiet, it's being recorded.